In the last lesson, we created a page, called it home, and it's only available at localhost :3000/pages/home. We want to replace the default page of our site with the other page. The default page, by the way, is for every site, it's the home page. It's what you get to if you just type it in, or if you type a slash in afterwards, that's also the default page. Usually that gets removed. So that's like the same as if you go to facebook.com. That's like the home page, or twitter.com. That's the main page that people get to. And so we started creating the main page. It doesn't have much on it, but I want to make sure it's in the right spot. This is actually super easy to do with Ruby on Rails. The way that Ruby on Rails handles what pages are available where is there's actually a file inside of your config, which is right here, a folder called config. And this file is called routes.rb or routes.rb, depending on where you're from. Now, if I click on this, it has very little information. It actually has here, line 4, this is a comment, and it says for details on what's available, the DSL, that's called domain-specific language. But that just means how do you edit this file and add stuff to it? Go to this URL. So you could go there if you want to learn more about how routing in general works, but we're also going to learn that a little bit over the course of this class. And in line 2, this is basically the first route that was automatically created when I generated this page. In fact, if I go back here into the command line and I look at, remember I ran Rails generate controller pages home. The second thing in here is route get pages/home. That's this line. So it's telling us I added this as a route. And that's why when I go to pages/home, I see this page. The problem is that's not where we want it to be. So the way that you get this to be at the home page is we'll delete this line, or we can replace this line a little bit. Instead of get, we want to do root. What that means is home page, basically. Root, and then replace this slash with a £. So root pages $home, and then save that routes file. And if you save this and you go back here and you refresh the home page, there it is. This is now our home page. And basically what we're doing is saying when someone goes to the home page, send them to my inside of pages, the home page. That's what this part is, inside of pages, home. And you can create other pages as well. So that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do next. I'm going to show you how to set up other pages so that you can send people back and forth between them and make this a much more useful website.